Okay, we're given a right triangle and we are asked to find all 6 trigonometric ratios. To do so, what we're going to use is SohCahToa. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. So given this triangle, we're looking at this angle T, which is in the bottom right as this one's drawn. To get moving in the right direction, let's go ahead and label our sides. So across or opposite from T is going to be the 7. So I'm going to label that as the opposite side. The adjacent side is going to be this 24. And then the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. So the 25 goes as the hypotenuse. Now that we've labeled those, let's jump into SohCahToa. So sine of t is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse. So in our case, that's going to be 7 over 25. Cosine is going to go as adjacent over hypotenuse, 24 over 25. And then tangent, opposite over adjacent. So 7 over 24. Now that we have each of these three, the primary trigonometric functions, we can get cosecant, secant, and cotangent, as long as you remember that cosecant goes hand in hand with sine, except for its reciprocal relationship, meaning that the numerator and denominator get transposed, they get inverted. So since we know sine is 7 over 25, cosecant is going to be 25 over 7. Secant goes hand in hand with cosine. So its reciprocal is going to be 25 over 24. And then finally, cotangent goes hand in hand with tangent. Its reciprocal, 24 over 7. So how I like to remember these is that an S and a C always get paired together. So sine and cosecant, cosine and secant also get paired together. Usually tangent and cotangent are pretty easy to remember that those two go hand in hand. All right, hope this helps out. Good luck as you're working on these.